Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Behind the Closed Doors. And today we are in Arnhem in the Open Air Museum because today the workshop is, well, outside. So we're going to mix strobes with ambient light, we're going to use gels, and we're going to use a lot of power because today is the first workshop we're going to do on location with Hensel. So we got 3 porties with us and they give you a lot of power. So it's going to be a lot of fun. And today also our model is Nadine, so expect some extreme styling. Hey guys, join us for today's episode of Behind the Closed Doors from Arnhem. If you like what we do, subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, and of course smash that like button. Let's go.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? Something
And we're back in Emmeloord from an awesome day at the Open Air Museum in Arnhem. Now today you saw me shooting with the porties from Hensel. And in all honesty, we've been working with Hensel for quite some time behind the scenes. And we had a lot of talks, soul searching, testing and whatnot. And I can officially announce starting today that I will be one of their official ambassadors, meaning I will promote their products, help out with new products and just make sure that you guys actually get to see what Hensel can do. And they don't call it a performing light for nothing. So, and you know, I'm very brand loyal. So when I switch, this is something that I don't do in one night. It literally took almost a year. We talked with a lot of people, thought about it, because Elinchrom has been my brand for so many years. And switching over, it's a big deal for us. So there are many, many reasons why we did it. And in the next video, so not a behind the closed doors, I will exactly tell you why. But for now, I just wanted to share the news with you that from now on I will be an official Hensel ambassador. And it's awesome stuff, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. And you saw, by the way, the 14-inch reflector. That gave so much power, that actually totally got me. So hey, for today, I hope you enjoyed this. Here are the results from today. And if you like what we do, subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, and of course smash that like button because we really like that. See you again next time. Bye guys.